Clock in, clock in. Black Gotti just walked in. Yeah. Team Black gotta stand up, man. Yeah. Right now we about to hop right into this video with Soulja Boy. Well, I'm pretty sure you already know, just like I know, Soulja Boy say he had the biggest comeback of 2018. Which I'm confused. Nigga, what comeback you talking about? You need to come back over here and drink you some milk, cause you're a little bit too hot out here. But by him saying that, gave him the possibility of actually having the biggest comeback of 2019. And only thing he gotta do is actually drop a good song. Actually make a song somebody wanna listen to, bro. Cause you be dropping a hell of a lot of bullshit. Niggas do not want to hear that. Hopefully you could drop something that I actually want to hear, that we actually want to hear, and that could actually give you the biggest comeback of 2019. But you actually do have one of the biggest viral moments of 2019 so far. Drake, Tiger. But let's see if you can actually drop a song, and enough of all the chit chat. I'm gonna get straight into the video. Clock in, clock in.
Young Drake on it. Forward gang, nigga, I hit the kill switch. Get it out first, that nigga can't feel shit. Run up on gang, get hit with the whole clip. I hit my shot after that, sell a brick. Made it wrong, move and fill up with hollow tip. Running around town in the limousine strip. About to cover my finger on trigger finger, poof stick. 35 shots to push down, running rip.
Hold up, nah. Hold up, nah. Don't sleep on. Hold up, nah. Sound like he going in just a little bit. I could be tripping. Let me know if I need me a glass of milk, you feel me? Just drunk something, by the way, you feel me? That's why I'm kind of chill right now. But at the same time, let me know if I'm tripping, because he actually riding the beat so far. I don't see no... And I'm being for real this time. I'm not being sarcastic. He actually doing his thing so far. See where he going with this.
Bro, who the fuck is this? Right around town, I been fucking his bitch. Nigga talking shit, I empty the clip. Brand new Bentley truck, this my 50th diamond. You should went to Ellie. The 30 clip, long like the nose on the Ella. Drop by in that Lamborghini.
30 clip, long like the nose on... Boy, you did that, boy. Hold up, boy. We gotta hear that again real quick. Hold up. Bars.
The clip, brand new Bentley truck, this my 50th diamond. You should went to Ellie. The 30 clip, long like the nose on the Ella. Drop by in that Lamborghini. Geeked up off of Percocets. Yeah, I hit the ball with the phone. In the strap with a glizzy, I just came back from New York.
Okay, one thing I'm really trying to figure out is, where is Soulja Boy getting this flow from? I done heard this man try to use this flow 135,000 times. But this time, I think he actually running with it hard. Like, kind of doing his thing so far.
Drinking your ass, gon' get drunk. Fucking your bitch, her pussy so moist. Forward gang, nigga, I hit the kill switch. Get it out first, that nigga can't feel shit. Run up on gang, get hit with the whole clip. I hit my shot after that, sell a brick. Yeah. Walking in bed with a stick on me. Cuban pint of ass, that bitch with a bad bitch on me. Run up on Draco and leaving your history. $1 million, that's a lot to you.
Okay, one thing I could say about Soulja Boy is, he friendly. He really, really friendly from what I see. Like, he's always around somebody else. And if y'all do not know who this is right here, I think, if I'm not wrong, that's Young Dolph. Dude, what's his name? Not Key Glock, but yep, Jay Fizzle. Yup. And am I tripping? Is that him or am I tripping? But he stay hanging around some new dudes. Boy, you're a little bit too friendly out here, boy. You need to chill, boy.
That ain't shit to me. I'm double sipping from Mr. Pull up on my block, I'ma spray up the whole street. For that shit, nigga, I kill the whole beat. Bust in my rolling, it look like a centipede. Put on the block with that Drake, go spray heat. I made these rap niggas remember me. Yellow diamonds, feeling like Wiz Khalifa. Diamonds on Bumblebee. Took out like a rocket, ain't nobody stopping me. Copping 2 bricks and now I'm copping 3. Walking in Louis store, I'm on a shopping spree. Watch how many these rap niggas go copy me. Diamonds in my mouth, cleaning with Listerine. Smoking on dope, playing the Soulja game.
Boy, you know you not playing no Soulja game, boy. Stop playing, boy. Stop lying, boy. You feel me? But I do like the way he just, you know, promoted his game and stuff like that. But at the same time, boy, you not playing your game, boy. You're a little bit too hot out here, boy. You need to simmer down, boy. You definitely need you a whole jug of milk for that one right there. You was not playing the Soulja game, because I see you playing the PS4. Stop lying. But at the same time, boy, you going in on this one. He really going in on this one. I think we need more of this Soulja Boy. This might just really be 2019 comeback for you, boy. Keep going.
Wood tasting like Krispy Kreme. Rich Lambo looks just like a limousine. Big chopper get it spread the whole street. I am big Soulja nigga who gon' check me. I spent 30,000 for my neck piece. I got a condo in right on South Beach. No limit Soulja, I'm feeling like masterpiece. Back in high school, I had more money than the faculty. More money, and I put that shit on my mama. You run up on Draco, get hit with a gun. I shoot with a dust and don't hit my nose. I'm pissed and I lean, I need me a plumber. I went to school high and still got a diploma. Your street nigga, I'm fuck on your.
Do Soulja Boy got a ghostwriter on this one right here? You feel me? He really got some bars going on this one, like, no jokes, all jokes. I'm really being for real this time. Now, Soulja Boy, I do not know what got into you, but keep it inside of you. I got a good feeling it's milk. Might be chocolate milk. You feel me? Boy, you going in, boy. We ain't got no choice but to get credit when credit due. And it's definitely due right here.
Sipping codeine, smoking marijuana. Yeah.
Well, I'm definitely pretty sure you got the same thing that I got out of this one. Because we're not used to actually saying Soulja Boy just went dumb and he just went in. But guys, he just went dumb and he just went in at the same time. And I'm actually for real this time. I kind of like this song, boy. You feel me? I'm usually quick to say, boy, you can't do that. Do better. You tripping. But you can do that. Don't gotta do better, and you're not tripping. This was actually a good song. And not only was it a good song, just might really be his comeback. Or I'm probably just tripping. I'm probably in just one of those type of moods where everything just sound raw. But this, I like it. He did his thing. But let me know how you feel about this one. Was it gas or ass? I'm about done with this one. Clock out, Black got it. Just walked out.
Okay, I'm out here trying to get paid, but